welcome to my channel and today's video. So today is going to be kind of a different new video. I don't ever really review clothes, but here we are. Today I wanted to review the company called Adore Me because I can guarantee you, probably bet you $100 that you've seen ads for them or have seen someone buy from them or have already bought from them. Despite what you just said to that, I wanted to review this brand because out of all of the lingerie brands online, they have the most sustainable options. And I am here to support any company that is taking strides to be more sustainable and good for the planet and our bodies because we're wearing these things. I wanted to show you all the pieces that I've gotten and that I've worn and just kind of talk about whether I like them or I don't like them, show you what they look like, talk about how they feel and all of that. So if you're interested in knowing if Adore Me is actually worth it, then go ahead and keep on watching. So because Valentine's Day is coming up, I decided to do this video because we do want lingerie for Valentine's Day, but not for you to buy it, but for you to give us a gift card so we can buy it for ourselves, because there's nothing more powerful than a good lingerie set underneath or a good bra and panty set underneath what you're wearing. It makes you feel powerful and strong and like you can achieve anything. It's kind of like makeup for your body, right? So today I am reviewing a bunch of things. The first thing that I want to talk about is a pair of underwear that I got from them, and it's just super fitting because I brought up Valentine's Day. And this is the back. It's like a little heart. It's like a little see-through heart with polka dots. And I just think these are so freaking cute. Love them. They are super, super soft. And they're like a very stretchy material, which is going to hug you and just make you feel good. And then the bottom piece down here, I always appreciate that it is a piece of cotton. And it's pretty wide, which I feel like a lot of underwear companies just don't understand that this piece needs to be wider. This is called the Claire Hipster. They do have this in the red color as well. If you're not a VIP with Adore Me, these retail for $29.95, and if you are VIP, these retail for $19.95, and you can get 7 pairs for $35 if you bundle them. So the next thing I want to talk about is actually my all-time favorite bodysuit, lingerie type of thing. It's called the Anuchka Online, and it's a little like one piece. It is the cutest with a pair of jeans, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I had posted like a picture with this as a top and some jeans, and I just think it looks so stunning. And obviously it looks stunning just by itself if you're gonna go that route, but I do really enjoy wearing this like out and about. And the lace here is pretty tight, so you're never gonna, see anything through it. If you do worry about that, you can obviously wear nip covers or something around the lines of that to kind of prevent that from happening. But this baby retails for $49.95, but if you're a VIP, you get this for $39.95. I just think it's so flattering. It looks really, really good. It hugs you in all the right places, and it's got a little strap here in the back too, which just kind of sucks everything in, and I am obsessed. The next set that I want to talk about is actually a bra and panty situation, and this is called the Lourdes, and I am so drawn to this because of the underwire. I like an underwire. I know that a lot of people don't, but I feel like that just structures my body type way better. And just, look at the design here. There's like a little cutout here. There's multiple different types of lace. It's got almost like that corset type of structure in here with the lines, and it's got the little empty spaces in the back too. I just feel like the detail on this is just so amazing, and I do really like a good balconette bra. And the underwear that comes with it as well has these openings right here, and it also has a pretty interesting back. Your whole butt is out, but for cute nights, that's really, really nice. And these are definitely like a higher waist option. So this is definitely going to cinch you in and sit right above your hips and just make you look really, really nice and just beautiful. This set retails for $54.95, but if you're a VIP, you get this for $44.95. Adore Me is very good about being inclusive with sizes as well, and I really like that you get to pick sometimes a different style of underwear when you pick out the bra that you like. So sometimes you can do a cheeky or a thong, just depending on what your preference is. And I do want to mention that the Lourdes set is sustainable. So like I mentioned, Adore Me is really good about sustainability, and with every new launch, they're launching more and more sustainable sets and corsets and lingerie sets and bras and panties, which I think is really, really nice. So they use sustainable fibers, they cut down on chemicals and things like that, which are all really, really good not only for the environment, but for us because we are wearing it on our bodies. The next set is definitely very, very worn by me and definitely one of my favorites that I've ever gotten from them. And it is called the Kaya. Just the detail on this is just so freaking pretty. It looks like this, and there's a little bit of padding down underneath, right around the underneath part of your chest. But over the top, you have this lace that comes over, and then there's a gap right here. I don't even know how to explain it, but it just looks so good, and I really like the regular just like mesh pattern on the back. It's nothing fancy, it's nothing crazy. The front is definitely the showstopper. Feels really, really good. It holds everything up nice and where it's supposed to be. I just love how this makes the chest look. And the underwear with this set is definitely my favorite pair of underwear that I've gotten with any of these bras, because it has this second strap at the top that you can push even higher on your waist, and it just snatches you in, and it just makes your body look so good. No one will be able to resist you, and that for me is a freaking win. So the Kaya set retails for $54.95, but if you're a VIP, you get it for $44.95. So the next thing that I got was a fun little Valentine's Day corset. It's in this like cherry ruby color. So I really wanted to get a corset because I feel like it's super stylish and trendy to wear a corset over like a shirt. And that's exactly what I wanted. And I figured for Valentine's Day, this would be a super cute actual outfit to just toss this over a shirt and some jeans or some leggings and some high heels. And I feel like you've got a really, really awesome, cute outfit. It's got a really nice pattern. So you've got the crisscrosses over here, but there's also still a little bit of like lace underneath, so you're not just seeing skin. The lace pattern over here, it's really nice. It's obviously the perfect corset shape. The back you can cinch in as much as you want, and it's got these little connectors to stockings. If you like to, wear stockings, they look cute hanging down either way. It's a really nice way to jazz up a pretty boring outfit, and then it did come with a pair of underwear. It's a thong. It's really cute, same color, which I feel like will just go really, really nicely with that. The corset is called Aurora Unlined, and it retails for $54.95, but if you're a VIP, you get it for $44.95. I think that's a pretty fair price for a corset. It's very nicely built. And the last set that I have is this set right here. This is called Patchy, and it is a tan and slightly gray patterned kind of balconette bra with a lower bottom here. So it stretches a little bit past your rib cage. There's not any extra padding in this area, but it does have more fabric here than anywhere else. I think it just looks so good and flattering no matter what your weight is. I feel like sometimes skin will just sit right underneath where your bra ends, so having a little bit of that extra down here I think just flatters the body really, really nicely. And I'm a big fan. I really like the lace detail as well with the different colorations. The flowers look really, really nice and good. And this just feels very nice and sturdy. And then this is the underwear that goes with it. I think it's super stunning. It has a little bit of that lace detail on the front, but the rest is just a simple mesh, which I feel like is great because it doesn't take away from the actual top. It's not like too much, right? It's still like a nice and classic type of set. I feel like this would go great under anything light because it is such a creamy color. The gray is also really light, so I don't think this would peep through anything. So to wrap it all up, I feel like there's nothing that I've ordered from Adore Me that I really didn't like or that I couldn't get resolved. It took me a little bit to fumble around with the sizes just because I gained some weight and I just wasn't sure what my sizing was. But they were very accommodating to exchanging sizes for me so that I can have the perfect size that fits my body the way that I want it to. I would say that this is also on a pretty good price range, and they do have an introductory first time offer for people who sign up to be VIPs. So you do get your first set for $24 no matter what the price is. So sometimes that's 50% off or even more off your first set. I really have nothing to complain about. I think that if you're definitely looking for a hot bra and underwear set or lingerie, this is the place to go. That is all that I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.